morning to you all. Today's our topic is perimeter and area. So first we will understand one by one. First is perimeter. So I will explain you first perimeter. So look at here. The distance around the figure is the perimeter of the figure. It means perimeter is first I will draw a square. This is a figure. This is rectangle and this is a triangle. Okay. So perimeter is the outer area, the outer distance, which is called perimeter. When we add all these distance, so we will call that as perimeter. And this is called area. This is perimeter and this is area. So we all know this side is 1 centimeter. It means all side is 1 because this is square. Okay. So when you add all these, so this is your perimeter. And when you find inner area, this is called area. So we will understand, I will explain you area later. First we will see here perimeter. Okay. Now you can see this is rectangle. We all know in rectangle parallel side are equal. Okay. It means this is 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter. If this 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. Okay, when you add all these distance, you get perimeter. This is triangle. Here all sides are equal in triangle. This is 1 centimeter. It means all sides are 1 centimeter. Okay, when you add all these, so this is your perimeter. Okay. So this is clear for you. This area of any figure. This area of any figure you have to add, so you get perimeter. Okay. After this, you can see some formulas. First is perimeter of a square. We all know how we can draw a square. This is your square. You can give name also. You can give name like this. Okay. How many sides? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We all know all sides are equal. So the formula of perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. Okay. So you can see 4 multiplied by side. It means 4 sides you have to multiply by with 4. So you get perimeter. Okay. Now after this you can see next formula, perimeter of triangle. How you can draw triangle? Like this. Okay. Now you can give name A, B and C. If you give this 1 centimeter, so you have all sides are equal. It means, okay, we have 3 sides here, 1, 2 and 3. So what is the sum of its 3 sides? Sum of these 3 sides, it means one side is AB plus BC, CA. What is the AB? 1 centimeter. What is the BC? 1 centimeter. And what is the CA? 1 centimeter. 1 and 1. What is the answer? 3. Okay, you have to write unit also. This is compulsory for you. You have to write unit. Okay, so this is your answer. So this is your perimeter of triangle. Okay. After this we will come perimeter of rectangle. So what is the formula of rectangle? 2 length and width. So you can see this is your rectangle, right? Parallel side are equal. If we give here 4 centimeter, so this is 4 centimeter. Okay, this is 2 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. So formula of rectangle is 2 length and breadth. So length is this is your length and this is your breadth. Okay, so what you can do, first you have to write 2 like this, otherwise, and after this you have to write L. Length, what is your length? 4. Okay, after this what is this? Breadth. Breadth is 2. Okay, why you write here 2? Because you have 2 sides breadth and 2 sides length. That is why you have to write here 2. Okay, 4 and so you have to add both these, which is 6. Multiply 2 with 6. What you get? 6 2s are 12. You have to write unit also. So this is your answer for perimeter of rectangle. So you can see these all example with formulas. Without formulas you can do by this kind of things. Okay, you have to add all of this, so you get your parameter and you also find with formulas. So this is your parameter of any figure. Now we will start some example here. So first we have to look square. Question is, find the parameter of a square. Here you can see side 5 cm. Here we have only one side 5 cm, because we all know if we have any square, if this side is 5 cm, it means your all side is 5 cm. So that's why here you have side only 5 cm. Okay, so first you have to draw a figure like this. You have to write all these side like this, and after that you have to start here. So first you have to write formula. Perimeter of square. We all know now what is the formula of perimeter of a square? 4 into side, right? So first you have to write here 4. What is the side? Side is 5 cm. So you have to write here 5. 5 multiplied by 4. So what is your answer? 5 4s are 20. But you have to write unit. What is your unit here? Centimeter. So you have to write here centimeter. So this is your answer. The parameter of this figure, this square is 20 centimeter. After this we will come in rectangle. This is rectangle. So first I will read the question. Find the parameter of rectangle. Here you can see you have length 10 meter, breadth 5 meter. Here we have length and width, because you can see here when we have draw a rectangle, so we have, this is your length, right? This is your length and this is your width. So here we have to given length and width. You have represent length as L and width as B. So length is 10 meter. Okay. So this is also 10 meter. Width is 5 meter. So here you have to write 5. Okay, we will give name A, B, C and D. So what is the formula of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 length plus width, right? So 2, what is your length? Look at here, 10 meter. So you have to write here 10. What is your width? Look at here, 5. So what you have to write here? 5. Very good. After this, you have to add both these. So what you get? 15. Right? And here you have to write 2. Now you have to multiply 15 with 2. So what you can do here? You have 2 multiplied by 15. So you have to multiply 15. So you get 30. Now you have unit is meter. So this is your parameter of rectangle. After this, we will come in triangle. The problem is find the parameter of a triangle. Here you can see you have 3 sides. In triangle, you have 3 sides. It is not compulsory that you have equal side of triangle. You have different side also in triangle. So this is 8 meter, this is 11 meter and this is 14. You can see. Okay. Now we will start. What is the formula of triangle? And sum of all 3 sides. Sum of its all 3 sides. Sum of its all 3 sides. It means you have to add all these 3 sides. Give the name like this. So first you have to write AB plus BC and CA. Now put the values. What is the value of AB? 8. What is the value of BC? 14. What is the value of CA? 11. Now you have to add all of this. 4 and 1, 5. 5 and 8. 30. So you have to write here 3. 1 is carry. 1, 1 and 1. You have here 3. So 33 is your parameter. You have to write unit, that is meter. So this is your parameter of triangle. So this is your parameter and this is the example of parameter. Now